Somebody say ultra light? More like ultra fun. It's the Keystone Outback Ultralight. Yes, and I'm serious. Let's check out some features and floor plans right now. So the first thing you're going to notice, the living area. So clean up and down, I got to tell you. In fact, the HyperDeck fiberglass back linoleum floor makes it easy to keep clean since there's no carpet. Outback Ultralights have super comfy furniture, which includes a dream dinette with large storage drawers that they call Max Store. Most will have a sleeper sofa sitting astride large panoramic windows. Bet you didn't know I knew that word. I don't know what it means. And you can opt to get Thomas Paine Collection theater seating in place of the sleeper sofa. And while you're lounging, you can look up and admire A, the ceiling height, which is 78 inches, and B, the super cool 15,000 BTU AC. Some models will also have a second 13,500 BTU AC. Now for heat, you get a 35,000 BTU furnace with in-floor heating ducts to keep your toes cozy. And some models also have a fireplace. Those Outback Ultralight models with a slide out will have flush floor slides with extra tall slide height, which is good for your toes and your noggin. Let's check out the kitchen, shall we? You'll get some sweet appliances, including a 3-burner gas range with a 17-inch Furion stove and a low-pro hood vent. You get a microwave, an 8 cubic foot gas electric fridge with a 10 cubic foot 12-volt GE fridge option. Your victuals and other kitchen goodies will be stored in hardwood cabinetry that's hand-glazed, pre-drilled, and screwed in. Prep your meals on the pressed countertops and wash away easily in the deep stainless steel sink with roll-up sink cover and a high-rise faucet with a pull-out sprayer. FYI, your hot water comes in a bit quicker due to the on-demand hot water heater. Yep, sweet little upgrade. Helps in the bathroom too. And speaking of, let's go into the bathroom. And you'll enjoy the extra shower room and ambient light via the skylight over the shower area. And a nice touch, you'll get a porcelain high-rise toilet. From the bathroom to the bedroom we go, and let it be said, the folks that create the Outbacks must love their pets. Because in the bedroom, you're going to find a built-in pet kennel built right into the king or queen bed. And bed size is dependent upon the floor plan. The bedroom also has some nifty features, such as reading lights, outlets, and USB ports, plus TV hookup. Before we head outside, let's talk a little bit about entertainment. Every Outback Ultralight comes with a large HD TV and AM/FM CD stereo with a DVD player. You'll also be 4G LTE and Wi-Fi prepped. Outside, the Outback Ultralights is replete with features. I'm using quarter words. I played Scrabble last night. Speaking of your pets, you'll get an outside shower to hose off the pets, your kids, your in-laws before they step inside. For comfort, check out the power awning with adjustable arms. So if it does rain, you can easily run the water off the awning. Of course, it helps if everything is level. Now, once you get your Outback Ultralight level, you can easily stabilize it via the power tongue jack and power stabilizer jacks. Power, it's always good. You'll get some serious help with the 2 Dragonfly lithium batteries with a 10-year warranty that fit right into the double-welded dual battery rack with battery disconnect, which will help save those batteries. Beyond preserving your batteries via the disconnect, you can also help them by utilizing solar. Harness the power of the sun with Keystone's exclusive Solar Flex 200 that's upgradable, or do what I would suggest, opt for the Solar Flex 400i for more solar power. Oh, and by the way, some models do have a 50 amp shore power, so just keep that in mind. Other great features found on the Outback Ultralight exterior are the LCI solid steps with the very convenient extra wide first step. A 54-gallon freshwater tank with heating pads for all tanks that'll make boondocking very attractive. TPMS prep to make sure your tires are correctly inflated, and that is fantastic. Get TPMS. Backup camera prep for easy backing up, and a cargo rack prep in case you need more room for gear. Before we check out some floor plans, here's some Outback Ultralight facts. They all run from 5,000 to 7,500 pounds in dry weight and in length from 23 feet to 35 feet. and plenty of floor plans too. I'm going to take a look at a select few and hit them by length. First up, the 221 UMD. It's great for the camping couple, but can sleep up to 5. You're going to find the rear wall shares the kitchen and the bathroom. A centered queen bed sits up front, and a large slide-out with trifold sofa makes it easy to move around inside. The 240 URS is a unique travel trailer. The main bed is in a rear slide-out, but what's really cool is the front section. It has a room that kind of acts like a toy hauler as well as a bunk room. You'll find a ramp to move your motorcycle in and stack twin bunks. So there you go. The 240 URS can sleep up to 6. The 260 UML has a large rear kitchen with a ton of counter space, so it's perfect for that camp chef. A large slide out sits in the living area, and a walk-through bathroom leads into the nice-sized bedroom. The 260 UML can sleep 5. The 291 UBH is designed for the camp-loving family. You're going to find a private bunk room in the back, large living area slide out with sofa sleeper, impressively large walk-through bathroom leading into the bedroom. You'll also get an outdoor kitchen and a pretty sweet entertainment center that swivels out to expose a nice pantry. The 291 UBH can sleep up to 9. The 302 UBH, now this one, you got a private bunk room for the kids with the twin bunks creating an L. The living area has a large slide out, an angled entertainment center, and unique cornered kitchen. The 302BH can sleep up to 8 and also has the outside kitchen. Gotta love it. So, when you've got everything, you've got a Keystone Outback Ultralight. See them at rv.campingworld.com. And hey, if you like this video, you want to see more, maybe find the RV of your dreams, be sure to click like, subscribe, and notify. And as always, happy camping.